Shankaram Sivashankaram. In this video, let us learn stanza 13 of Thiruvampavai along with the meaning in English.
திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். பைங்குவளை கார்மலரால் செங்கமல பைம்போதால் அங்கங்குருகினத்தால் பின்னும் மரவத்தால் பைங்குவளை கார்மலரால் செங்கமல பைம்போதால் அங்கங்குருகினத்தால் பின்னும் மரவத்தால் தங்கள் மலம் கழுவு வார் வந்து சார்தலினால் எங்கள் பிராட்டியும் எங்கோனும் போன்றி செய்த தங்கள் மலம் கழுவு வார் வந்து சார்தலினால் எங்கள் பிராட்டியும் எங்கோனும் போன்றி செய்த பொங்கு மடுவில் புக பாய்ந்து பாய்ந்து நம் சங்க சிலம்பு கலந்தார்ப பொங்கைகள் பொங்க குடையும் புனல் பொங்க பங்கைய பூம்புனல் பாய்ந்தாடேலோ எம்பாவாய்.
The following explanation is to understand the word-by-word meaning of this verse in English. For a more insightful interpretation, please watch the analysis video on Thiruvampavai, the link for which is in the description below. The stanza has two interpretations. So we'll go with the first interpretation. Painguvalai kar malaral. Paingu is like fresh or tender. Kuvalai means purple lilies or the purple water lilies. Kar malaral, so these are purple, so they're dark colored, so that's why kar means dark colored, malaral with their flowers or the petals. Senkamala, that is the red lotuses. Paimpodal, again the fresh or the young flowers, you can call them buds, lotus buds. Angam kuruginattal, kurugu is the birds, angam the bodied, so small bodied birds. Inattal, the group of birds. Pinnum aravattal, and they are making a lot of sound. So aravam is sound. Tangal malam kaluvuvar, those who bathe in the water, they have their sins removed or they have their dirt removed from the body, you can say. Vandu sardalinal, so they come and they unite, that is they come and bathe or they take refuge. Sardal means to take a refuge or they surrender. Engal piratiyum enkonum pondru isaindu, that is Piratiyum is goddess like our goddess Umadevi, and enkonum like my king Lord Shiva, pondru like isaindu, they come together. So just like goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva unite and they are one, this pond, because of the red lotuses, because of the flower filled lilies and the birds who are making the sounds, they seem to be like the goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva, and that is why when we take refuge under them, our sins will be washed away. Next 4 lines are just about the bathing in the pond. So Pongum Maduvil, the rising, Maduvil is a small pond. Pugapaindu, we go and we jump or we plunge, we dive into the river. Paindu Nam Sangam is a bracelet. So our bracelet, silamba, it makes that clanking sound or the clink-clank sound because it is hitting against each other. Silambu kalanda arpa. Silambu is the anklets. The anklets also, they make sound when they hit against each other. Arpa is to make the sound. Kongaigal ponga. So our breasts, they are filled with lot of delight. So they rise means they are filled with lot of delight. Kudayum punal ponga. So they're saying the small springs of water are also rising. So seeing all that and bathing and all that, we are also very much delighted. Pangaya Poompunal. Pangaya means lotuses. So lotus filled water, Poompunal, Paindu, Come and bathe, Adelor Empavai. Oh girl, wake up and come and bathe in this kind of a river. So this is one interpretation. Another interpretation is this whole life of ours is a Bhavasagara. That's why he's talking about, if you don't call it a Bhavasagara, you can call it a small pond, because you can compare it with that. And see what Manikavasakar is saying. He's giving you some colorful flowers there. So our life is like a celebration, he's saying. So Painguvalai Kalmaral is filled with lot of colors. He's giving you some red color, he's giving you a purple color to it, and he's giving you some nice sweet sounds of the birds, etc. And then he's saying our Bhavasagara, we should be in, it is like the union of goddess Parvati and or Umadevi and Lord Shiva. So we should always be thankful to them, we should always be remembering them, because once we remember and surrender ourselves to them in this Bhavasagara, then our malangal, our impurities or our sins gets washed away. Kalvuvar, it gets washed away. So come into this Bhavasagara, but don't just come and play in it. Come and enjoy that bliss of being with Lord Shiva. So you may have some ups and downs in your life. So that's why they're saying Kudayum Punal Ponga. Even when you have some ups and downs in your life, your Kongaigal Ponga, you are actually filled with a lot of delight, because when you surrender to that Lord Shiva, you are able to enjoy this bliss. So girl, come wake up and bathe in this kind of a pond. The tender dark-colored water lilies, the fresh red lotuses, and the sounds of the small-bodied birds make the pond feel like the union of our goddess Uma and our king, Lord Shiva, who washed the sins of those who take refuge under them. Oh girl, wake up and bathe in this lotus-filled pond in which we dive, whilst our bracelets clink-clang, our anklets clink, and our breasts are filled with delight in the rising water springs.
பொங்கைகள் பொங்க குடையும் புனல் பொங்க பங்கைய பூம்புனல் பாய்ந்தாடேலோ எம்